Toko.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error during uploading or updating your channel art in your YouTube. First of all, go into your YouTube account. But first, I'm going to show you where the error occurs. Okay, after you enter your YouTube page, click the icon profile and then select your channel. It should be appear like this. This is your channel art. You select customize channel, select the pen sign and then edit channel art. The error is occur like this. When you attempt to sign in, it come out like this. It will have a comment: the feature you requested is currently unavailable. Please try again later. Okay, never mind, we close it back. Okay, in order to ensure this channel art is able to upload or replace by other picture, you go on the top right at the three dot and then you find the settings. After that, you scroll down, you look for the site settings. This is the site settings. You click the site settings, then find the cookies and site data. Okay, inside the cookies and site data, untick the block third-party cookies. So at this point it should be okay, and then you close it back, the setting, and then you go back to your channel art. Then voila, now you can simply replace your channel art again. Voila, problem solved. Now the error is fixed. Now you can enjoy your YouTube channel art with beautiful decoration, whatever you want it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like and share for more video in the future. Thank you. Until we meet again in the next video. Bye-bye.
Tulun Toko.